And now we install the shelf of the handle pieces for the machine.
Okay, now we install the handle pieces. Before you install the handle pieces, you have to press these two side buttons. And these 2 points must be up. And then, before insert the handle pieces, match this precision first. And then press. If you want to take out the handle pieces, you have also need to push these 2 buttons. Okay, now we add the water to the machine before we open the machine. You have to insert a tube to overflow mouth and then insert a tube to the water flow. Then the water will come into the machine, and until the water come out, it means the water is enough. And you have to pour water into the machine, and it should be changed for about 3 months. Okay, these 4 bottles are the wastewater bottle. When the wastewater up to this light, you have to pour off the water. Now we press it. And then directly match and push. Now we open the machine. There are 4 languages for this machine. We choose the English. And the 4 handle pieces can work together. And there are 4 modes for treatment. There are continue mode and pass mode. And the vacuum can reach 100 kPa. And the temperature can reach minus 16 degrees. And these are the same to it. Before we do the cryolysis treatment, you have to use this antifreeze membrane. Put the antifreeze membrane on the treatment part. To make sure that the antifreeze liquid touch the skin completely. And now we use the medium handle pieces. We use the continue mode and start from low vacuum 25. And usually for the first treatment we start from minus 10 degrees. Okay, we start treatment. If your clients can accept this vacuum, you can adjust the higher vacuum.
Okay.
After about 1 hour continuous treatment, you can change to the pass mode treatment for the machine for client for massage. Normally, this mode is better for the machine, so we choose this mode. And it will do about 5 minutes. It's okay. If you want to use the handle pieces which has not been installed in this machine, you must have to turn off the machine and then exchange the handle pieces.